Here with Mike Lewis, Aber Town's goalkeeping hero today, saving 3 penalties.
I really enjoy it. I love the penalty shootout, to be honest, and I have my own little routine, so I was confident I'd save at least 2 of them, and I was lucky to get the 3, to be honest, so it was a very good win.
You seem to be able to psych out their players.
I wouldn't say psych out. I would just say that it was just a routine. I stick to it. I'm quite confident, and I thought I'm going to stick there. So it was. It's not luck. Obviously, there's some luck involved because if you go the right way, you've got to make sure you get there. But yeah, I'm just happy we won. Happy we win the next round, to be honest.
So as you say, a win is a win. It's a very hard place to come to here.
Yeah, they were exceptional. I think the stat is, I think we were talking before, you've never lost at home for 2 years, so very difficult place to come. You knew they were going to be up for because it's like their cup final, so just over the moon to be in the next round, to be honest.
The previous game they'd won 15-1. That takes effort by any team.
Yeah, you can see why they're doing very well in their league. They're good outfit, strong at the back. They've got pace going forward, so they're a good side, and they'll cause. I can see causing a lot of problems in their league, to be honest.
Then midway through first half, I had Sean James go off. How unsettling is that for defenders?
Yeah, it is unsettling. Obviously, we're quite lucky. We've got some very talented guys on the bench as well. So I know Righty didn't last long, but he came on, filled in, and when Righty went off, Batley came in into centre half. So we're lucky we've got strength and depth in the squad.
And then in extra time, the effort by the boys, 2 good chances. Kellaway hit the bar.
Oh yeah, I don't know how that didn't go in, to be honest. It looked like it was all in for all love no money, and it just somehow bounced over the bar, which is a bit bizarre. But no, the boys showed great character. We worked really hard, and it's difficult to do when you've got 10 men against a side who think it's their cup final. So we showed great character and deserve to be in the next round, to be honest.
Difficult game today, and then a difficult game next week with Airbus.
Yeah, well, it doesn't get any easier at all. No, of course it doesn't. And we had a great point up there a couple of weeks ago in difficult circumstances and conditions. So we'll be looking to take this win now and roll on the confidence and hopefully get a positive result up there next week.